Huge shout out sa Mavs Tactical. Thank you for sending me this. This is the John Wick 4. So napakaganda niya, napakalakas niya, nasubukan ko siya. Tumatagos siya sa dalawang patong na carton. So thank you. So napakaganda niya guys. This is TTI Pit Viper with built-in compensator. Ayun siya, meron siyang compensator guys. Then fiber optics na yung ano niya, sights niya, and then mabigat, then napakalakas niya guys at napakaganda ito yung guys. So thank you. So start firing. Napaganda na guys.